Let's take a look at the fastest way we can get through this GRE quant question. Let's keep in mind what the question is asking us. What is the value of y? So we need to find that. The builder has land that has 5 feet or y feet along the beach. So we need to find out how many feet of land is along the beach. We see it split into groups of 60 or 70. And then we also see 1/6 of the plot have 70 feet. And the remaining 35 plots have 60 feet. Well, that's the easiest part for us to go ahead and calculate. So let's get that out of the way first. We have 35 plots that have 60 feet each. So we can come through and we can work on that multiplication. 35 times 60 gives us 2,100. So I'm going to eliminate A and I'm going to eliminate B. I know I need an answer that's bigger than 2,100. Now, the trick that we have to recognize here is our 70 feet is in 1/6, but our 60 feet is in 35. So we need to recognize, okay, if this is 1/6, that means this part over here is 5/6. So if 5/6 is equal to 35 plots, that means 1/6 is going to be equal to 7. So I have a total of 7 plots that are each 70 feet long. And when we multiply that, we get a total of 490. I'm going to add that into my 2,100, and we can see we get a total of 2,590, answer choice D. So let's take a look at how we were able to determine that 5/6 was associated to our remaining 35 plots. So if we look at the fact that we have y feet of land along the beach, and we know that we have 35 plots on this side. Well, let's make that a little bit neater for you. That almost looks like a 55 right now, and that would totally mess up our math. And we have 1/6 on this side. Well, if our beachfront land represents one whole, and we've used 1/6 of that, we would take 1 minus the 1/6, which we know is 6/6, minus 1/6. That's going to mean that we have used 5/6 on this side. And if that 5/6 of our land is equal to 35, that means 5/6 of is multiply. Our total land is going to be equal to 35. So what would we do to solve for our land here? Well, we would divide by 5/6 on both sides of this. So I know my land is equal to, now in terms of dividing those fractions, we want to keep change flip. For dividing fractions is so much fun, we can somersault. So I'm going to reciprocate my fraction over here. And I get 6/5. I'm going to simplify and reduce. And that's going to give me a total of what? A total of 42. All right. So that 42 now tells me that I have a total of 42 plots. So if I've used 35 of those plots already, we can see where that remaining 7 is coming into play. Fantastic. So again, in order to calculate that total, we were able to take our number of plots that have 70 feet times our number of plots that have 60 feet. And then we came through and we added those together to get our total amount of land that has that beachfront access. But remember, it was really important we eliminate A and B. In case we do get stuck, we'd much rather give ourselves a 1 in 3 chance of choosing the right answer over that 1 in 5.